welcome to my channel. So in this video we're going to discuss about DadWise, and hopefully this video will clear all the questions you'll have while applying for DadWise. So let's get started. So what is DadWise? So DadWise is basically a scholarship which provides Indian students with funding to pursue research at a public university in Germany or a non-university public research institution like the Max Planck Society. Now, who is eligible to apply? So on their website, you'll find a list of all the Indian colleges whose students are eligible to apply, and also if you should be pursuing engineering and natural sciences, and if you're in a 4-year course, then you should be in your 3rd year, and if you're in like a dual degree or 5-year course, then you can be either in your 3rd or 4th year, and you should not have received the scholarship previously. So when to start applying? To actually apply for the scholarship, you need a acceptance letter from the professor in a German university that he's willing to host you. And so the best time to start emailing the professors is like in July end, and hopefully by September you'll get an acceptance from the professor that he's willing to host you. So on to our next question, how many universities to apply to? So I had applied to about 80 universities, and once you get an acceptance from a professor, you can proceed to the next step of the application, which we'll learn later. And I'd suggest you not to apply to the multiple professors of the same university. So what are the contents of the email you're going to be sending to the professor? So the email should contain like brief paragraphs about your past internships and how your interest aligns with the professor's interest, and links of your resume and also your transcript. So basically what you have to do is that you have to convince the professor that you are capable of doing the work that is going to be assigned to you. So what time should you send the mails? So you should schedule the mails in such a way that they reach 9 a.m. of the professor's time. So if like Germany is basically 3.5 hours behind us, so if it's 12:30 here in India, so be 9 a.m. there. So basically you want to schedule it for 12:30 Indian time. So now if a professor is interested in hosting you, he'll want to interview you. So how to prepare for the interview? So you should be well versed with your resume and all the courses you've taken so far, or all the relevant courses. And you should also be familiar with the professor's current research interest. What is the CGPA requirement? So the minimum CG requirement is 8.5, but the higher the better. Is it possible to get accepted without previous research experience? So yes, it is possible, provided you have at least some projects which are relevant to the professor's field, or you have an exceptionally high CG that can surely help, but having a previous research experience is definitely a plus. What is the stipend and the duration for the internship? So the duration has to be between 60 and 90 days, and the stipend is 750 euros per month and 1050 euros lump sum travel subsidy. And this amount can vary from year to year, so do check the DAD website for the more details. So after the professor's acceptance, what all documents are needed to complete the application? So this is a big list, so I'm going to read this out. So you have to finish the online application, and then you require the CV or the resume, and you also require a letter of motivation, which is basically like what topic you're going to work on and why you want to work on this topic. So you require a approval form by the German host, and also an invitation letter by the university, and you require a transcript and a no objection certificate from your current university, and also you need like a reference letter from one of the professors in your current university, and yeah, with the professor's signature and a seal on an envelope. So once you finish the online application, the job is not done. You still need to mail the application summary along with a sealed reference letter to the DAD office in Delhi. So now when to mail it. So you basically want the package to reach like a few days before the deadline, which is usually 1st of November, but it can vary. So we're down to the last question. So when are the results out? So I had personally received the scholarship offer in the first week of Jan. I sincerely hope that I've been able to clear at least some of the doubts you have or had or will have while applying for this scholarship. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a big like, share and comment, and subscribe to this channel for more content.